The journey of Alex Parker. Alex Parker was a young boy from the bustling city of Riverton, where the skyscrapers reached for the sky and the streets were always alive with activity. From a very young age, Alex was different from the other kids. While his friends spent their free time playing video games or hanging out at the mall, Alex was always found with a football at his feet. Alex's love for football started when he was just 4 years old. His father, a football enthusiast, had given him his first football. From that moment on, Alex and his football were inseparable. He practiced day and night, dribbling through the narrow alleyways of Riverton, kicking the ball against the walls of old buildings, and setting up makeshift goals with trash cans. By the time he turned 10, Alex had developed an incredible skill set. His footwork was impeccable, his shots were powerful, and his passes were precise. His talent didn't go unnoticed. Coach Johnson, the coach of Riverton's youth football team, spotted Alex during a neighborhood match. "Hey, kid!" Coach Johnson called out after the game. "How would you like to join our team?" Alex's eyes lit up with excitement. "I'd love to, coach." Joining the team was a dream come true for Alex. He quickly became the star player, known for his speed, agility, and determination. But it wasn't just his talent that set him apart, it was his dedication. Alex was the first to arrive at practice and the last to leave. He watched professional matches, studied the tactics of great players, and practiced relentlessly. As the years passed, Alex's hard work paid off. He led his team to victory in several local tournaments. His reputation grew, and soon, scouts from bigger clubs started showing interest in him. When he turned 16, he received an offer to join the Riverton Football Academy, one of the most prestigious academies in the country. Leaving home was a big decision for Alex. He had never been away from his family and friends, but he knew this was an opportunity he couldn't pass up. His parents, though sad to see him go, were incredibly supportive. "Follow your dreams, Alex," his father said as he hugged him goodbye. "We believe in you." The Riverton Football Academy was a whole new world. The training was intense, the competition fierce, and the expectations high. But Alex thrived in this environment. He pushed himself harder than ever, determined to make the most of this opportunity. He made new friends, learned from top coaches, and improved his skills every day. One day, during a crucial match against a rival academy, Alex's moment to shine came. The score was tied, and only a few minutes remained on the clock. Alex received the ball near the halfway line, and with incredible speed and precision, he dribbled past 3 defenders. As he approached the goal, he noticed the goalkeeper advancing towards him. Without hesitation, Alex chipped the ball over the keeper's head, and it sailed into the net. The crowd erupted in cheers. Alex's teammates lifted him up, and his coach patted him on the back. That goal became the talk of the town, and Alex's name was on everyone's lips. Scouts from professional clubs took notice, and soon, Alex was offered a contract with Riverton United, the city's top football club. Joining Riverton United was a dream come true, but it also came with its own set of challenges. The level of play was much higher, and Alex had to prove himself all over again. But he was ready. He trained harder, studied his opponents, and listened to his coaches. In his debut match for Riverton United, Alex came off the bench in the second half. The team was down by a goal, and the pressure was on. With only a few minutes left, Alex found himself in possession of the ball. He dribbled past the defenders with ease and took a powerful shot from outside the box. The ball curved beautifully and landed in the top corner of the net. The stadium exploded with cheers, and Alex was mobbed by his teammates. From that moment on, Alex Parker became a household name. He continued to perform brilliantly, scoring goals, and leading his team to victory. His dedication, hard work, and love for the game took him to new heights. He received call-ups to the national team, played in international tournaments, and became an inspiration to young footballers everywhere. But Alex never forgot his roots. He often returned to Riverton, visiting his old neighborhood, and spending time with his family. He also set up a football academy for underprivileged kids, giving them the same opportunity he had. One day, while visiting the academy, a young boy approached him. "Alex, I want to be just like you," he said with wide eyes. Alex smiled and ruffled the boy's hair. "Remember, it's not just about talent. It's about hard work, dedication, and never giving up on your dreams." As the seasons passed, Alex's career soared to new heights. He became a key player for Riverton United, leading them to multiple league titles and cup victories. His performances earned him the nickname The Magician due to his extraordinary skills and ability to change the outcome of games single-handedly. Alex's journey was not without its challenges. In one particularly grueling season, he suffered a severe injury during a match. A hard tackle from an opposing defender left him with a broken leg. The doctors told him it would take months to recover, and there was no guarantee he would return to his previous form. The news devastated Alex. For the first time in his career, he faced the possibility of not being able to play the game he loved. The days in the hospital were long and filled with uncertainty. But Alex's determination never wavered. He was resolute in his goal to come back stronger. With the support of his family, teammates, and the club's medical staff, Alex embarked on his road to recovery. He attended countless physiotherapy sessions, followed a strict rehabilitation program, and maintained a positive mindset. It was a long and arduous journey, but Alex's perseverance paid off. After months of hard work, Alex finally made his return to the pitch. His comeback match was filled with emotions, both for him and the fans who had supported him throughout his recovery. When he stepped onto the field, the stadium erupted in applause, a testament to his resilience and determination. In that match, Alex played with a renewed sense of purpose. He moved with agility, his passes were sharp, and his shots were powerful. It was as if he had never been injured. He scored a stunning goal that sealed the victory for Riverton United, proving to everyone that he was back and better than ever. Alex's remarkable recovery and triumphant return became an inspiration to athletes around the world. He was invited to speak at conferences and events, where he shared his story of overcoming adversity. His message was clear: with hard work, determination, and a positive attitude, anything is possible. Off the field, Alex continued to give back to the community. The football academy he had established grew rapidly, helping hundreds of kids develop their skills and pursue their dreams. Alex often visited the academy, conducting training sessions and mentoring the young players. One day, a young girl named Mia caught his attention. She was small but incredibly fast and skilled with the ball. Mia reminded Alex of himself at her age, filled with passion and determination. He took her under his wing, offering her personalized training and guidance. Under Alex's mentorship, Mia blossomed into an exceptional player. She led her team to victory in several youth tournaments and earned a scholarship to a prestigious football academy. Alex was proud of her achievements and knew she had a bright future ahead. As Alex's career progressed, he faced new challenges and opportunities. Riverton United qualified for the Champions League, the most prestigious club competition in Europe. It was a dream come true for Alex, who had always aspired to compete at the highest level. The journey through the Champions League was grueling, with Riverton United facing some of the best teams in the world. Alex's performances were outstanding, and his leadership on and off the field was instrumental in the team's success. Riverton United reached the final, a historic achievement for the club. The final match was held in a grand stadium, packed with fans from all over the world. The atmosphere was electric, and the stakes were high. Riverton United faced a formidable opponent, but Alex was determined to lead his team to victory. The match was intense, with both teams displaying skill and determination. In the final minutes, the score was tied, and the tension was palpable. Alex knew this was his moment. He received the ball near the edge of the penalty area, dribbled past two defenders, and unleashed a powerful shot that flew into the top corner of the net. The stadium erupted in cheers as Alex's teammates rushed to celebrate with him. Riverton United had won the Champions League, and Alex Parker was the hero. It was the pinnacle of his career, a moment he would cherish forever. In the aftermath of the victory, Alex reflected on his journey. From the streets of Riverton to the grandest stages of football, he had come a long way. His dedication, hard work, and love for the game had taken him to heights he had only dreamed of. As he lifted the Champions League trophy, Alex knew that his journey was far from over. There were still many goals to achieve, both on and off the field. He was determined to continue inspiring young players, giving back to the community, and making a positive impact in the world of football. And so, the journey of Alex Parker continued, a testament to the power of dreams, perseverance, and the beautiful game of football. The end.